As a kid, I was fascinated reading these Chandamama stories. When I look back now, these stories played an extremely important role in my childhood, especially Vikram Betal, moral stories, fun facts about India, current events, puzzles, and many more which were published in this magazine. It was through my Chinnamavaya I came across this magazine. My mother used to bring the collection of 4 to 5 books from my Mavaya's home. It was during my summer vacation most of the time I used to read these stories. This magazine, it taught generations about ethics and developed cultural sensibilities and reading habits, gives a greater understanding of the world. From these stories, which I have read in my childhood, I am sharing a small story with you all in which there is value, where there is social, ethics and logic has been there. Welcome to my math channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. Let's get into the story now. Once upon a time, there were two friends named Suraj and Uday who used to live in a village called Nandanam. These two friends used to sell the vessels which they have prepared going from one village to the another village. In olden days, people used to do business in this way. They used to move from one village to another and they used to sell the articles whatever they are having. By afternoon, Suraj and Uday reached a village called Repalle. Here, they have sold out almost half the vessels what they are having. They were feeling very much hungry. Through an old man, they came to know there is a lady called Purna who prepares delicious foods and serves the people. They thought of visiting Purna's house to have their meal. Suraj and Uday, they had a very delicious meal at Purna's house. They both thanked Purna and they started returning back. Purna packed 5 chapatis and she gave it to Suraj and Uday so that they can have it in their return journey. They took the chapatis and they started the journey back to Nandanam village. By evening, Suraj and Uday sold out the vessels what they are having and they decided to go back to their village. They were on the way to their village and they thought of eating the rotis given by Purna. So in between, they met a person called Sham. He was not having any food. So Sham requested Uday and Suraj to share the food what they are having so that he will offer some amount to Uday and Suraj. So three of them decided to sit under the trees and to have the rotis. Three of them sat under the tree and started sharing the rotis what they are having. They decided to eat. To Sham, they gave 2 rotis. And to Suraj, he got 2 rotis and Sham got only 1 roti. They felt it's an unequal distribution of rotis. They did not share it equally. So they thought they have to share it equally and they should eat. So they got an idea. Total they are having 5 rotis. So in 1 roti, they thought of making 3 equal pieces. So like that, second chapati also 3 equal pieces, third chapati, fourth and fifth. So they made equal number of 15 pieces of chapatis. Now they shared equally among each other and they started eating. So total 15 pieces of chapatis, each person got 5 pieces. That means 15 divided by 3 people, which is equals to 5. So they had their rotis and they started the journey back to their place Nandanam. Finally, three of them reached their place Nandanam. Sham was very grateful towards both of them. He thanked them and he offered 5 rupees to Suraj and Uday to share among themselves and he left to his place. Suraj and Uday felt very happy. Now they wanted to share the amount given by Sham. Suraj was saying, as I was having 3 chapatis, I have to get 3 rupees and Uday was having 2 chapatis, so you have to get 2 rupees. But Uday's version was, no, you are cheating me. I have to get 2 rupees 50 pies. They both were arguing with each other and they were very much disturbed. They felt they have to go and visit the nearest village panchayat office so that they will get the solution for this. Suraj and Uday have been to the nearest village Panchayat Raj and they got the solution. Village Panchayat Raj means it is the oldest system of local government in our country. Panchayat Raj means Panch means 5, Ayat means assembly and Raj means rule. Some elderly wise people of the village has been selected as village Panchayat. These people will settle the disputes between the individuals or else between the villages. Here, This Panchayat Raj people, they have solved Uday and Suraj problem. Now, if you are the head of the village Panchayat, what solution you will be giving? I want to know from you what exactly is Suraj share and what exactly is Uday share. Take your book and pencil or pen and you see how many rotis they are having, how many parts they have divided, and see how much amount Sham has given and what is the exact share of Suraj and Uday. I'll be posting the answer in the next video. Hope you all will solve the puzzle. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.